Hey, welcome my Scrappin friends. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to make this folio, how to construct it. So welcome to Scrappin' It Up. I'm Vanessa, and we are going to be making this folio. This is folio number 3 in this series. I will be teaching you 3 folios how to make. I wanted to help you guys with your craftiness. To get geared up for the Christmas holidays. I know you guys want to make things for your friends and family, so I just wanted to give you some simple, easy projects to make. Okay, like I said, I will be teaching 3 of these in this series. This is album number 3. If you haven't caught the final review of this, I will link it down below to where you can go watch where I show you what the whole album looks like, okay? So go check it out if you haven't seen it yet. All right, I have all my pieces taped and scored, except for piece A. I haven't got it taped yet. Okay, so you need piece A right at the moment, okay? And always go by the cutting guide. I may misspeak a measurement or something, so always go by your cutting guide, okay? So these 2 pieces we are going to put together, okay? So piece A, you're going to fold on, not the first, but the second. Always fold on the second one first. And then you're going to burnish. I got to find my bone folder where I'm done with it. There it is. And burnish, okay? And you're folding towards the bumpy side, okay? Then score on your other line. Okay, now we're going to put these 2 together. We're going to form a hinge. Okay, we're putting these 2 1/2 inches together. So I'm going to apply tape to just one of them. Okay, to just one of them. Or you can use glue, you know, whichever one you prefer. All right. So your 2 1/2 inches together, it's going to form a hinge. So I'm going to put my tape side down. Okay. I'm going to line them up best that I can. And then I'm going to take my tape off. I hope you guys enjoy this series that I'm teaching you. They're just very quick, simple folios. It won't take you but maybe a couple of hours to construct and a few hours to decorate. Okay, now we have a hinge. So now what you're going to do, you're going to apply, and I'm going to use 1/4 inch score pile tape, and I'm going to apply my tape to this hinge on both sides. And I'm staying closer to the cut edge just in case my pocket page does not fit right. I don't want my tape showing. All right. All right, now I'm going to taper just to the score line, guys. Just to the score line. Do not go past your score line. Okay? Just like that. Okay? Voila, there's our cover to our album. Now you can go ahead and fold on the other score line, okay? I didn't score my other score line. Let me fix that. Okay, so that last score line was at 7/8. So the next one was 7 3/8. 1, 2, 3. And hopefully that's right. All right. There's our album. How sweet. Okay, it's right. I could see it being wrong. Whew. Okay, piece B and piece C, okay? B, we do nothing to it. Piece C, we fold towards the bumpy side on both ends and burnish. This fits right on top of B. Line it up, okay, on all four sides, best that you can. And then stick her down. Okay. Now this is our pocket page that's going to hook to our hinge. All right. So see, voila. Now open your book, and it should fit. Okay. And it looks nice. I want it just a little bit past my, but that's okay. So now I'm just going to take, and always check to make sure it fits first before you take your tape off. That way, if you need to make a new one, you can, or make some adjustments, you can. Okay. I just slide it on there. Stick her down. And take my tape off. Just like that. Okay, depending on how you put yours on, your B could be here and your C here, okay? Now, piece D, okay? Piece D. You're going to fold towards the bumpy side. On both these pieces. Okay. And I gotta remember where those, just a sec, guys, I gotta look to see where those went. Okay. So on the front side of C, okay, front side of C, all right, we are putting one piece D here and one piece D here. Okay, so tape side down. Go ahead and taper just to your score line. Okay, this just kind of hides construction when we decorate. You don't see as much of the construction. Okay, so this is piece D. Okay, you're going to line it up. Piece B or C, depending on how you put it on there. You're lining this up right on top of piece C. Okay, do not go over. Line it up. Okay, then take your tape off. Okay, do it to the other side. You're lining it right up with your edge of your piece C. Okay, and I'm going to use a piece of paper. I can't see where that ends. Line it up best that you can. And then take your tape off. Just like that. Okay. Now, piece F and piece E. Piece E and F, you're going to fold towards the bumpy side. Fold towards the bumpy side. Okay, on both pieces. Fold towards the bumpy side. Okay, piece E. Okay, you have your piece D that's on your, like this. Here's piece B or C. Here's D, here's D. Piece E, I'm sorry. Yeah, piece E is going to go right on top of piece D. Okay, so you're going to line it up right on top. Oh, go ahead and taper your, I'm sorry. Go ahead and taper right on top of piece D on the right hand side. Okay, line it up and take a tape off. piece E is going to go on the left-hand side of piece D, okay? The one that's on the left-hand side. You're going to line it up from top to bottom. Same amount of space, top to bottom, okay, guys? Right on the edge of piece D, right on top. Okay, just like that. Now I did round my corners on piece F. Okay, so I rounded those. Okay. So just like that. And I leave my piece F is on my outside, so I open, 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 open. Okay. So piece D, piece E, and piece F. Now open up to the back side, okay, back side. This would be C or B, depending on, this is your back side of your pocket page. You're going to need piece G, fold towards the bumpy side. Piece H, you're going to fold on both ends. This is a belly band. Okay. Let's get rid of this piece of paper. All right, so piece G is gonna go tape side down. Here's piece B right on top of piece B. You're gonna line it up from top to bottom, and it should line up right over here. It should line up, okay? If that's sticking over, cut it off. So it should line up. We're on the back side of this pocket page that we hooked to that hinge. All right. Now I did round my corners on this one. So let's attach our belly band. The belly band goes to the outside, not the inside, to the outside of G. And I'm going to flip my book around a little bit. Let's put this here. And whoops, I can't go there yet either. Not until I attach it. And let's go about 1.5 inches. So I'm just going to use my ruler and 1.5 inches. Well, I'll just do it this way. I'll just make a little tick mark, and I'll make a little tick mark here. Alright, so I'll just line this up right on top of G, and it should fit. If it doesn't, put it back in your scoreboard and rescore it to where it fits. It should fit, okay? Take your tape off. And there's our belly band. Yay! And I'll put this back here. Okay, there's piece G. Okay, now we have 4 of piece I, okay? And I do round my edges. A rounded corner will take a beating more than a squared corner. So a lot of times I will round my corners on photo mats and stuff like that. Okay, fold towards the bumpy side. Okay, on all 4 of these. Fold towards the bumpy side. You're going to put 2 in front, 2 in back. And this is piece I. Okay, now I'm going to line them up from top to bottom. About 1/4 inch, I think. Yeah. Just a hair under 1/4 inch. I'm going to line it up with this side over here. Take my tape off. Yeah, the middle part is about 1/8 inch. Sorry, my head's probably going to be in the way. About 1/8 inch. Okay. Like that. Okay. I'm going to do the same thing to the front. right on top of this flap right here. That's piece A. Just right on top of that. Line it up on this edge. Stick her down. This really is a really fast, easy folio. I hope you guys enjoy making these. Let me know down in the comment section of what you think about these. You know, let your imagination go wild. Have fun with this, guys. Okay? So here we go. Let's do a real quick walkthrough. That's it, guys. That's it on this. So you open it up. You have a flip. That's the piece of A. Okay. F, E, D, and D. Okay. And then, of course, you know you have a pocket page here. So you can do something with that. Here is piece G. And our H as our belly band, and then our photo mat, and flip. Now on mine, I did put tie-back to strengthen this because I only use 65-pound weight cardstock for this. You can use 110, you know, be more durable. But I used the tie-back, see? So I colored the tie-back and then put it on here. So if you want to do that, if I remember right, I had an inch and an inch, you know, inch on the front, inch on the back, which would be 2, and then almost an inch here. So you got almost 3/4. So if you'd done your tie back, you know, 3 inches, you would have enough to wrap here and wrap on the back. And I just colored this with alcohol ink, and it protects your spine of your folio. Okay. So be creative on it. You know, I hope you guys have fun with this. It's a very quick, easy folio to make. Like I said, let me know in the comments below what you think. Okay, happy crafting, guys. And as always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.